Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set magazine or lock screen wallpaper on POCO phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, you can see this is the setting. Okay, from here you have to scroll on the down and here you can see the option of lock screen. So friends, here you have to tap on the lock screen. Okay, when you move on the lock screen, from here you have to scroll on the down and here you can see the glance for me. Okay, so you have to tap on the glance for me here. Okay, when you tap on it inside the glance for me, you can see this icon here. If there is agree option came, you just click on agree so that the glance for me will be on. Okay, turn on. So after that we have finished to set it. Okay, if you want to select the categories of the automatic lock screen wallpaper, then you have to move on this glance image categories. Okay, and from here if you want to unfollow, then you can unfollow. If you want to follow, then you can follow. Suppose you want to follow the live game streams. Okay, you can follow. If you want to unfollow, you can unfollow. Okay, so you can select from here. If you want to unfollow the music, then you can unfollow. You can, if you want to unfollow the entertainment, then you can unfollow. If you want to follow, then you can follow. Okay, so you can select from here the categories. So friends, I hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.